everyone, today we will be cooking chicken with some onions, tomatoes and potatoes, green chili, and also the Nagao king chili, which is known as puchalokia. Okay, so we will be frying the chicken first and we will show you one by one. So these are the chilies for the flavor. This is called a finger green chili. And this is a red tomato. And this is a potato. So guys, let's begin with the chicken.